In 2026, grooming isn't just about looking clean, it's about presenting yourself confidently and leaving a lasting impression. A consistent grooming routine improves your appearance, boosts self-esteem, and signals that you take care of yourself. Modern men's grooming focuses on skin care, hair care, facial hair, and personal hygiene. Following a step-by-step routine can make looking polished and attractive effortless, even with minimal time and products. Today, we will talk about modern men grooming routine, step by step. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Step 1. Cleanse your skin. The foundation of any grooming routine is clean skin. Use a gentle facial cleanser twice a day, morning and night, to remove dirt, oil, and impurities. This prevents acne, keeps your skin fresh, and creates a smooth base for the rest of your routine. Washing your face with lukewarm water helps avoid irritation, and patting your face dry rather than rubbing prevents unnecessary redness. Step 2. Exfoliate for a smooth complexion. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells and promotes healthy skin regeneration. Use a mild scrub 2-3 times a week depending on your skin type. Exfoliating helps prevent clogged pores, dullness, and uneven texture. Over-exfoliating can damage the skin, so moderation is key. A smooth complexion instantly makes you look healthier and more attractive. Step 3. Moisturize daily. Moisturizing keeps your skin hydrated, soft, and youthful. Choose a moisturizer suitable for your skin type, lightweight for oily skin, richer creams for dry skin. Moisturizing prevents flakiness, reduces fine lines, and makes your skin appear naturally healthy. Applying moisturizer immediately after cleansing locks in hydration for maximum effect. Step 4. Groom facial hair. Whether you prefer a clean shave, stubble, or a full beard, facial hair requires maintenance. For a clean shave, use a sharp razor and shaving cream to avoid irritation. For beards or stubble, trim regularly, shape your lines, and apply beard oil to keep hair soft and skin underneath healthy. Well-groomed facial hair enhances jaw lines, adds maturity, and significantly improves your overall appearance. Step 5. Hair care and styling hair is a major factor in your overall look. Wash your hair 2-4 times a week depending on hair type, and condition regularly to maintain softness and shine. Style your hair according to your face shape and lifestyle. Natural, textured styles are trending in 2026. Avoid overusing products. A small amount of gel, pomade, or cream is enough to create a polished look without stiffness. Step 6. Oral hygiene. A bright smile boosts confidence and attractiveness. Brush at least twice a day, floss regularly, and rinse with mouthwash. Fresh breath and clean teeth make a strong first impression and indicate good self-care. Don't underestimate the power of a healthy, confident smile. It's one of the first things people notice. Step 7. Nail care and hands. Trim nails regularly, clean under them, and moisturize your hands to prevent dryness. Well-maintained nails and hands reflect attention to detail and personal hygiene. Even subtle grooming like this is noticed by others and elevates your overall polished appearance. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.